What's the meaning of blooming? Blooming. Blooming.
Blooming. Blooming. Blooming refers to the process of a flower opening up and showing its full beauty. It is often used to describe the vibrant burst of colors that occurs as the petals expand and unfurl. The term can also be metaphorically applied to other contexts, such as a person blooming into their full potential or a business blooming into success. In this sense, blooming conveys the idea of growth, development, and progress. It suggests a positive transformation from a state of potential to a state of maturity or accomplishment. Overall, blooming evokes feelings of vitality, beauty, and flourishing.